In this universe, there are billions of galaxies. In our galaxy, there are billions of planets. But there is only one Earth. Today, it is the World Environment Day. And our team Anfosys have decided to start a project named Pen Bank. It's a small initiative by us in which a pen bank will be placed in each and every school, where students have to put their used pen into the pen bank instead of throwing it anywhere else. Those who will put their used pens into the pen banks will get a new pen as a reward. What we think that the World Environment Day is not to be celebrated inside a one room. It need to be celebrated outside, into the nature. Our aim to start the initiative is to recycle, reuse that plastic and to use it for a better purpose and to make our earth a better place. So support us and put your used pens into the pen bank and let's celebrate the World Environment Day in a real sense. Thank you.